Good morning to all of you. I am Kritika Paliwal and you are studying English grammar, right? So, in the previous lecture we had started chapter number 2 of your second term fancy, has, have, had. Okay? And in the previous lecture I had given explanation of has, have, had to you, and now today we will be solving exercise. Okay? So, please open page number 12. Okay? Please open page number 12 of your semester 2 fancy book, sharpen your pencils and get ready to do the exercise. Okay, I want your fancy books to be filled up similar to as your classwork notebooks, right? So, the first question given on page number 12. The first question is fill in the blanks with has, have, had. So we have to fill in the blanks, okay? With what words? We have to fill the blanks with has, have, had. So we have studied the use of has, have, had. Okay, हमने इन तीनों words का use देखा था in the previous lecture. That has and have is used in the present tense. Has and have is used in the present tense sentences. Had is used in the past tense sentences. Okay, तो जब हम sentences में has, have या had fill up करेंगे तो हमें ये ध्यान रखना है, पहले हम पहले सेंटेंस को देखेंगे कि वो प्रेजेंट टेंस का है या पास्ट टेंस का. ओके, so you have to remember this, that has and have is used in the present tense sentences and had is used in the past tense sentences. Now, one more thing that you need to know. Has is used when the subject is singular. Has is used when the subject is when the subject is singular or plural, doesn't matter, we use had when the sentence is of past tense. Okay, so had is used with both. Both means both singular and plural subject. Okay, so just remember this. Alright, now we are ready to solve the exercise. So, sharpen your pencils and get ready to solve the exercise. So, the first question of your book is Archana dash one sister and two brothers. Okay, अर्चना dash one sister and two brothers. अर्चना के one sister और दो भाई हैं, ठीक है, एक बहन और दो भाई हैं. So this is a present tense sentence. Now like we will be using has and have in this sentences. Now let's see what kind of subject is this. अर्चना. अर्चना is a name. It's a singular name. एक ही person का name है, right? So it is a singular subject and with singular subject we use has. So Archana has one sister and two brothers. Okay, Archana has one sister and two brothers. Now second one. ओके हम सिर्फ ट्रायंगल के बारे में बात कर रहे हैं, सब्जेक्ट सिंगुलर है। विथ सिंगुलर सब्जेक्ट्स वी यूज हैज। सो अ ट्रायंगल हैज 3 sides. Then number 3, these girls dash new bicycles. इन लड़कियों के पास न्यू बाइसिकल्स है। ओके सो दिस सेंटेंस इज ऑफ प्रेजेंट टेंस। नाउ हैज और हैव, हैड तो वी विल नॉट यूज इन द प्रेजेंट टेंस, राइट? वी डू नॉट यूज हैड इन द प्रेजेंट टेंस। सो हैज और हैव व्हाट? These girls, see the subject, these girls, ओके हम उन लड़कियों के बारे में बात कर रहे हैं, बहुत सारी लड़कियां, ठीक है? These girls are new bicycles. So subject is plural, right? This word comes under the list of plural subject. So the subject is plural. With plural subjects, what do we use? We use have. So these girls have new bicycles. These girls have new bicycles. Okay. Then number 4, that man dashed an umbrella yesterday. That man dashed an umbrella yesterday. Yesterday, okay, कल की बात हो रही है, okay, the day that has gone now, yesterday, the day before today, okay. So yesterday means now it is a past tense sentence, right? So here we do not have to look at the subject, okay. हमें अगर पता चल गया है कि sentence past tense का है and we have to use has, have or had, तो obviously we will use had, because with the past tense, in the past tense sentences we use had. Okay, so that man had an umbrella yesterday. What does this sentence what is the meaning of the sentence? That man had an umbrella yesterday. उस व्यक्ति के पास या उस आदमी के पास कल एक अम्ब्रेला था। That man had an umbrella yesterday. Okay. Now sentence number 5. She dash golden hair. Okay. She dash golden hair. उसके मतलब she, a girl we are talking about. She dash golden hair. उसके बाल golden है, है ना? What color hair are they? What color hair she is having? Golden hair. Okay, golden color hair. So this is a present tense sentence. Obviously yesterday या last year या ऐसा कुछ हमें इस sentence में indication नहीं है कि ये past tense का है. So let's consider this sentence as a present tense sentence. So sentence is of present tense. Had we will not use, obviously. We will use has or have. So what among these two? She. Let's see the subject. She. He, she, it. And this, that. These are all singular subjects. She. We are talking about only one girl. Okay. She. So singular subject is this. This is a singular subject. So with singular subjects, what do we use? We use has. She has golden hair. उसके बाल golden है. Okay, she has golden hair. So please fill this up fast. I'm giving you 1 minute to do this. After this I have to rub the board because I don't have space. So please do it fast. Okay, I guess this is done now. Now sentence number 6. We dash tea after dinner. We dash tea okay, so we dash tea after dinner. हम डिनर के बाद टी लेंगे. ओके, लेते हैं. So we dash tea after dinner. So this is a present tense sentence, and in the present, with the present tense sentences we do not use had. Okay, we don't use had in the present tense sentence. So two options are there, has or have. So let's see the subject. We, subject here is we. We means हम. अब हम में one person doesn't come, right? We is a plural subject, and with plural subjects we use have. So we have tea after dinner. Then sentence number 7. They dash a new computer. They dash a new computer. उनके पास एक नया कंप्यूटर है. Okay, so this is the present tense sentence, of course, and in the with the present tense sentences, had is not used. So one option is now eliminated. We have two options only, has and have. So they, let's see the subject now. They means वो. अभी वो में हम we are talking about many people. So they is a plural subject, and with the plural subjects we use have. So they have a new computer. H-A-V-E, have. They have a new computer. Okay. Now sentence number 8. My sister dash a new ring. पास एक न्यू रिंग है. रिंग मीन्स अंगूठी. ओके, so this is a present tense sentence. We will not use had. So has or have, what should we use? My sister. Let's see the subject. My sister, मेरी sister. Here we are talking about only one sister, right? अगर sisters की बात हो रही होती तो here sisters लिखा होता. My sisters, right? But here s is not there. Sister, we are talking about only one sister. So the subject is singular. Okay, subject हमारा singular है. With the singular subjects, what do we use? We use has. So my sister has a new ring. Then sentence number 9. Sentence number 9 is you dash an old bicycle. You dash an old bicycle. तुम्हारे पास एक पुरानी बाइसिकल है. So the sentence, the sentence is of present tense. Okay, so we will not use had with this. Alright, so you, let's see the subject now. You is a plural subject. So you have an old bicycle. So you have an old bicycle. Okay, then sentence number 10 is the library of my school. The library of my school dash a large collection of books. मेरे स्कूल की लाइब्रेरी में एक बहुत बड़ा बुक्स का कलेक्शन है, मतलब बहुत सारी बुक्स हैं. ठीक है, सो यस है, अभी भी है. इट्स नॉट अ पास्ट टेंस सेंटेंस, तो हैड वी विल नॉट यूज. सो हैज और हैव, व्हाट शुड वी यूज अमॉन्ग द टू? लेट्स सी द सब्जेक्ट. द लाइब्रेरी ऑफ माय स्कूल. सब्जेक्ट क्या है? ये है पूरा. द लाइब्रेरी ऑफ माय स्कूल. हम किसके बारे में बात कर रहे हैं? हम लाइब्रेरी ऑफ माय स्कूल, मेरे स्कूल की लाइब्रेरी के बारे में बात कर रहे हैं. देयर इज वन लाइब्रेरी. ओके, द लाइब्रेरी ऑफ माय स्कूल. ओके, लाइब्रेरी, दिस इज अ सिंगुलर वर्ड. लाइब्रेरीज is not there, right? Library, only one library we are talking about. So the subject is singular. Okay, so the library of my school has a large collection of books. The library of my school has a large collection of books. So please fill this up fast. Okay children, now I guess this is done, and if it is not done, I am getting aside, you can pause the screen. Okay, so you can pause the screen if it is not done. So the time is up for me to go. I have to go because we have no time. So 2 more questions are remaining and we will be doing those 2 questions in the next lecture. So till then I want you all to complete this thing in your fancy book semester 2. Okay, don't leave it incomplete. So till then, complete your work, complete your books, notebooks and all, and we'll meet in the next lecture at same time, same place and same channel. So take care of yourself. Bye bye.